Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G55, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So to get started, I'm going to quickly mention that you can do this kind of a reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. Now, I actually don't have anything set, so it doesn't really matter, but the way you would do it is by holding your power button. Now if you have Google, just I guess we need to swipe down from the top, or let's see, I think it might be, yep, power button volume up. So power button volume up gets your boot options, and from here select power off. When the device turns off, hold power button volume down. And when you have a bootloader show up, which, there we go, you can let go of both of the buttons. And then using volume buttons to navigate, you want to have a recovery mode show up right here. There we go, and then press power button to confirm it. Next we will have Android with no command. When you see that page, hold power button, and while holding it, just click on volume up. Like so. Now again, using volume buttons, we're gonna scroll down, and this time around, we're gonna select wipe data, factory reset, confirm it again with the power button, then select factory data reset. And as you can see, it's already finished, a data wipe complete at the bottom right here. When it is, our reboot system now is selected by default, so all you need to do is press power button to continue. Now because when you reboot the device, it's going to continue resetting itself in the background, it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up, so don't worry, this is completely normal. It might take up to something like 2 minutes to finish up, and when it's finished, we'll then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.